So hello friends, so in this video we will learn about distinct function in Power BI DAX, so how we can use that. So like in the last video we have created this union, and in this union we have add our two tables like Mahesh and Ramesh, which have date and your sales data. So like we have this data here also on 1st of January, and if we will go there, like if we will go down sides in January, all of them are January. So like if we will go to the union table here now if we will see this in 1st of January we have this data, and if we will go down and we can find some common data between them, and that common data is like this one here, sales. And if we will go to our next table, we will get this data here also. So some data are common, and we have somewhere around 60 rows in this data. Now if we want to find out the distincts, like which is not common, so common include all three columns here, all three rows here. So how we can do that? So what I will do, I will create a new function. I will just copy this and create a new table. You can either create a new table or something, like I will go to home, and from there I will go new table, and I give this name distinct equal to, and I will put the formula like which is distinct here, and again under that I will give union and just click over this. So we have a new table here which is distinct. So if I will put over this, so now we have a common data, like we have 47 rows in this, because in union we have some common data which is now removed. So distinct value will give only which is not common in between both the tables, in like in our table. So like in union we have some common data, and now we are able to remove the common data between two files, and we have a single file with the name distinct table there. So that's all in this video.